If you'd like to enhance the flying experience of your DJI Neo, then you're in the right place. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I have the DJI RC2 and a couple of accessories I use to protect it as well as to enhance my flying experience. Full transparency, I purchased everything you'll see in this video with my own money. None of this is sponsored. So if you're ready, let's jump into it. All right, guys, so if you have one of these little DJI Neos, you know these are great little entry-level drones. They're easy to use. Basically, you don't even need a controller. You can fly them right out of the palm of your hands, and you can also use your cell phone for some basic controls over it. But that doesn't give you full control over the camera, nor the full range of this particular little drone. So in order to get the best out of it, you'll either need to get a FPV motion controller with the FPV goggles or the RC2. I went with the RC2. So guys, the RC2 is a fully integrated controller for your Neo. As you can see, you've got a high def display built into the controller. That allows you to use your cell phone for stuff like listening to music or making phone calls instead of being the display for your flight. The controller itself is pretty lightweight. It's very easy to use. It even has a built-in simulator in here so that if you are in the winter or in the rain and you want to get some flying practice in, you can do that right here on the controller itself. Pretty cool stuff. So some of the accessories that I use for enhancing my flying enjoyment as well as protecting the controller is this sunshade protector kit here. So this here is a hard plastic sunshade here. As you can see, it has gimbal protection, so I don't have to worry about removing my gimbals when it's in storage. And basically, this allows you to position it so that when you're out, if it's a bright sunny day, you got some protection here from the sun glare so that you can see what you're doing and make sure that you're not crashing into stuff and having a good flying experience. They also give you a couple of screen protectors, and you get the hardware here for attaching a lanyard as well as a lanyard itself. I also have on here the silicone cover. So that protects most of the controller. And basically what I found over the years is that the oils from your hand kind of degrade the rubber and the plastic on your controllers. And so having this silicone cover on the top here just basically protects the controller from the oils on my hands, as well as give it scratch protection and a little bit of impact protection. So because this is silicone, it does have a little bit of impact protection. So guys, if you're having Neo and you want to enhance your flight distance as well as take full control over your camera, I highly recommend this RC2, and I also recommend these accessories for protecting it. I hope this helps you guys. Have fun out there.